Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, hi, hello, my name is Brianna, also known as BFT Post, and for those who aren't, thank you so much for coming back. So today is another synthetic wig install featuring Outre hair. This is their melted hairline lace front wig in the style Dione, and it is in the color Red Velvet, DRFF Red Velvet. I'm not sure what the acronym means, but that is the name of the color. I'm not gonna say much because I want to leave that towards the end. If you guys want to know what I did to achieve this look, then keep on watching. So I did my full face and I'm gonna go straight into the opinion. To be honest with you guys, I could not make this work. I'm not even too sure why. It's not like I haven't done a T-part wig before. In my previous video before this one, I did a side part T-part wig in the style Begonia from Outre, and it worked out in my favor. I just think that this particular unit is not giving the frontal illusion like some of their other units. I feel like the hairline is very dense, so it kind of makes me feel like I'm wearing a helmet. Let's be honest. The hair itself, it was just not like conforming into the way I wanted it to be. Like I wanted that little hump and then, like, you know, the hair falling. But the more times I was pressing this with passing the hot comb, the more I was losing like the curls that came with it. And I'm not too sure, it just did not work in my favor, and I really don't know what it is. And I can't say like it's the hair, like it could be possibly me in the way I'm styling it, but this is what it looks like down. And yeah, like I can't say I'm a big fan of this. As I said, the only critique I have is the hairline, which is quite sad because I've tried the melted hairline collection before, and this is just something that I didn't expect. But again, that's all from me. If you guys like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I want to say thank you to Outre Hair for sending me out this unit, and I'll see you guys in my next video.